Hi there, welcome to our channel. So it's been a few months since Huawei announced their Mate 40 lineup. However, it looks like there is another Mate 40 smartphone in the pipeline which no one knew about. It's called Huawei Mate 40e. This new device was spotted in the database of the Wireless Power Consortium on 9th December bearing model number OCE-AN00, which is close to that of the Mate 40 that has model number OCE-AN10. The database also includes the image of the device that very much looks like the standard Mate 40. It has curved display, similar camera and button placement. On top there's audio jack and infrared sensor, while the bottom houses SIM tray, USB-C port and a speaker grill. In short, they will use the same body with different internals. We also have specifications of Mate 40e as it was spotted on Anno. It comes with a display size similar to that of Mate 40, that's 6.5-inch OLED screen with 2376 by 1080p resolution. But unlike the standard Mate 40 which has a Kirin 9000E processor with a clock speed of 3.13 GHz, the Mate 40e has 2.86 GHz processor, which is believed to be either the Kirin 990E 5G or Kirin 990 5G chipset. In any case, this phone won't be as powerful as the current generation Mate series devices. And as far the difference between the Kirin 990 and 990E is concerned, it's the GPU. The Kirin 990 has powerful GPU than Kirin 990E. In addition to this, the phone will come in 6, 8 and 12 GB of RAM with 128, 256 and 512 GB of storage. The camera setup is believed to be similar to that of Mate 40. The battery will be a 4100 mAh capacity and the phone runs Android 10 out of the box. We do not know when the phone will be unveiled, but as we can see from the specs, the Mate 40e is just a Mate 40 with a Kirin 990E 5G or Kirin 990 5G chipset, which means it should sell for less than standard Mate 40. So are you interested? What are your thoughts about this phone? Do let us know via comments, and thank you for watching. Peace out.